Oke, standby, kamera ready, sound ready, 3, 2, 1, action.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Tiara Cantika Solihat. I'm from class 2A. My student ID C23 14 2010 97, and I'm student bachelor of nursing study program Universitas Muhammadiyah Tasikmalaya. And here I will be trying out nursing English segment to demonstrate effective coughing. Okay, first I will explain the meaning of an effective coughing. Let's see. One, there is handkerchief. 2, container for collecting mucus. 3, protective plastic set. 4, container containing a mixture of water and bicline. 5, gloves. And then water for the patient to drink. And then notebook. And then hand sanitizer. Okay, now we move to the procedure of effective coughing. First, wash your hand by hand sanitizer or wash by water. If we with patient, we must introduce ourselves, same like this. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, Miss. Introduce myself. My name is Tiara Cantika Solihat. I'm a nurse on duty this morning from 7 p.m. until 2 p.m. May I state your name and place of birth or your address? Okay. I will be check again, yes. Okay, Sam. Will you be available for approximately 10 until 15 minutes? Okay, so Miss. Okay, I will perform an effective coughing procedure to help you understand the benefits of this procedure, effective coughing. Yes. And then ensure the patient is sitting in an upright position or semi-forward, like this, semi-forward. And then the 5th procedure is place a protective set or mat on the patient's lap, like this, and place a tray filled with disinfectant solution on top. With bicline. And the next step procedure or the 6th procedure is instruct the patient to drink warm water first to loosen the mucus and makes it easier to expel. And then the 7th step procedure is instruct the patient to practice abdominal breathing. 1. Inhale deeply through the nose for 3 seconds with the mouth closed. 2. Hold me breath for 2 until 3 seconds to allow air to enter the airway. 3. Exhale slowly through the mouth with pursed lips for 3 until 5 seconds. 4. Repeat this step 3 times. And the 8th step procedure is ask the patient to choke forcefully and effectively 2 until 3 times in a row after the third deep breath. The choke should be done with the mouth slightly open and directed to expel the mucus into the mouthpiece. And the 9th step procedure is clean the patient mouth with a tissue if necessary and dispose of the tissue in the trash. And then the 10th is ask the patient to rest the reply and repeat the procedure if the mucus is still not fully expelled. And the 11th is discard any mucus collected in the mouth, pitch down the drain, and flush with water to prevent contamination. And the 12th procedure is tidy up equipment and material, remove gloves, wash your hand again or hand sanitizer. To maintain hygiene after the procedure is complete. Our 13 is evaluate the patient condition by asking how they feel and checking the amount and color of the mucus product to assess the effectiveness of the procedure. Effective coughing. Okay, have a finish from my video to make procedure effective coughing from step 1 until last 13. Sorry for all my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.